Hello and welcome to the Magic Minute session on closing the fiscal year in the General Ledger. When the fiscal year ends, in order to have the balance forwards appear for the new fiscal year, the GL year-end needs to be run. However, you may begin entering transactions for the new year even before closing out your prior year. There are two steps in this process. The first step is to make sure all of the periods are closed in the period file. So we'll navigate to the Financial System Controls and then Period File Maintenance. Key in the fiscal year to be closed and make sure that both closed columns have C in every one of the fields. Press F2. Next, we'll navigate to the year-end close. So we'll go to the General Ledger Master menu and then General Ledger Year-End Close and close out a year. Key in the 2-digit fiscal year to be closed and press F2. At this point, the Close Out a Year program performs the following. It carries all balances forward for the balance sheet accounts and it posts the net profit or loss to retained earnings. Also, a report is created listing all balances brought forward. Two comments worth mentioning. The GL year-end close option may be run multiple times. There may be occasions when additional journal entries need to be entered after you have run the year-end close. Simply open the last period in the period file, enter the journal entries and post, close the period again, and rerun the Close Out a Year menu. The second comment is, when closing the year, if a balance sheet account fails to roll over the balance, or an income statement account rolls its balance forward, check the balance sheet operating statement setting for the account in the chart of accounts. As you can see, this is the chart of accounts, and it's the balance sheet operating statement field. Chances are this may need to be changed. If you do change it, simply run the year-end close again. This concludes the Magic Minute session on closing out the fiscal year in the General Ledger.